Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Sandy here. I am going to jump on and do a quick haul video. And if you would like to see more haul videos as well as my junk journal making videos and any of my Cricut videos, then please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. All right, let's jump into it. So again, I went to my favorite little thrift store close to me, and they had this family song book. And again, I'm always looking for vintage music pages, and this is from Reader's Digest. And I thought these were just so pretty, and there's just so many of them, so I thought that'll be really fun to use those in junk journals. Next up, this book, it was only $1, so I had to get it. Let me zoom out a little bit here. And it's called One Morning in Maine. And what I liked about it were all they're not necessarily black, it's almost a charcoal, the sketches in here. And I just thought they were so pretty. And I love the font. So I thought these might make some great decorations for junk journals. And this is from the year 1952. And then this book, again, it's in really bad shape, but I think I got this one for $1 as well. And a big golden book. I'd never heard of a big golden book. So if any of you all have heard of one, put a comment down below, let me know. But it's in bad shape. However, I thought some of the pictures in here were, I was always looking for more animal photos in these fonts. I think those would be really cute to put in some of my little golden book junk journals. So anyway, like I said, it's in bad shape. There's pages torn and missing and half missing, but I thought I still, for a couple bucks, I could get some use out of that. The next item, these are 3 little nursery rhyme, I guess, decorations or decor. They're really light, super thin. I have no idea if they're vintage or not, but I just thought they were adorable. I thought I could somehow incorporate these into some of my little golden book junk journals. And I don't know, like put a back on it, some chipboard, and make it maybe a tag or something. So anyway, I'm gonna have fun playing with those, but the images are just, I really like them. This isn't vintage, but I thought this would be fun to coffee dye or tea dye, you know, little student paper, little apples. I thought this cookbook was fun, again, for $1, the ABC of barbecue, and just some neat little recipes in there. I've done one cookbook or recipe book junk journal that someone purchased, but I really like making those, so I might make myself one. This is from 1957, but I thought these would be fun to put in if I made another cookbook junk journal. And then here's just an old pattern. I liked these ladies in this style. And again, I'm a sucker for railroad stuff. I think I've shown this in some other haul videos. Love this pad of paper though. And here are some railroad cash fare receipt tickets. And then a few other railroad tickets, receipts. Good things to put into pockets and junk journals. This is an old book called The New Engine Whistles. And it's from, when was this written? Looks like 1954 is this edition. But it has so many great pictures and graphics. And each along the story, it has these small little pictures too, which I think are really neat. Anyway, love that book. I thought that was really cute. And the last thing I have to show, I'd never seen one of these before, so I had to get it, of course. It's a cloth book. I kind of remember these way back when, but the graphics I thought were so pretty. See the kitty cat, the dog, and the patina on this, that bird. It's really nice. So definitely be using that in some junk journals. All right. Anyway, that's my haul. Let me jump on real quick and show you what I got. Again, please let me know down below in the comments if you liked any of this stuff. What were your favorites? And again, please subscribe if you want to see more videos on junk journals and me using the Cricut, and hit that notification bell. All right, you all have a great day. Bye.